Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. Come see how I got to this point. I really love beads, as you can tell, so what I'm going to do is share with you what's inside this package. I got it from PotomacBeads, and it's their monthly subscription box, and this is September of 2024. It's always well packaged in this bubble mailer, so nothing's going to be damaged. Let's just cut right into it and get out the box. We can do that right here. And there we go. It comes in a nice cardboard box. It has a magnetic closure right here. And this month is called Spice Market. And they give a theme to each month. Tells you a little bit about it on this card. And on the back side of it, there's a list of everything that's included in the box. And first thing on top, I'm really excited about is one of those round tape measures that you can just pull out and then retract back in. I have another one that's been missing in action for a little while and I can't find it yet. So I'm really happy I have a new one now. This has really made my day. I think there could be 3 in this box and I still managed to misplace them somehow. So I'll pull everything out here and we can look at it close up. There's some darker colors, some burgundy reds. There's some silver, yellows, some bright lampwork beads it looks like. All sorts of different things in here. So let me bring you in closer to my bead mat and we can look at it together. Okay, we're going to go ahead and finish taking everything out. And let's see what we have. Let's start by looking at our supply list that they include. And first up, we have the retractable tape measure. Of course, I showed that to you earlier. Next, we have some Patomic Ava beads. They're a copper color and come in a pack of 20. If you're not familiar with them, they are a 2-hole bead. There's also a bag of round trio beads. There is 6mm bead, and they too are a 2-hole bead. There's these check glass faceted rounds and a 6mm. You get 2 colors of them. And they also have these check glass design disc and the strand of check glass tile beads. The check glass smooth round 4mm beads in yellow. We have a bag of lucite stars. There's some Athena cast charms. Also in the silver are these Athena cast tubes. We have a tube of size 11-0 Toho seed beads. This is their metallic rainbow. And some check glass disc beads. They're a swirl color done in orange and yellows. We have some check glass heart beads. Check glass barrel beads. Very fall autumn colors. And there's some more of the check glass faceted rounds and a 4mm. And we have some check glass faceted rounds and a 3mm. Sort of look like a magic orchid or pink perhaps. And here are the lamp work beads that I referred to when we opened up the box. Let's take one out. Reds and yellows. Have a little mix there. So what do you think? Are these fall colors the colors that you gravitate towards? I feel like I always have a hard time incorporating orange and yellow into my design work, but it could just be the next thing I need. Until next time, I hope you have a beautiful day.